Hi, it's Graham Bibby here, and it's the 13th of February 2017. I'm sending this video as a part of my giving back to investors and the investment community. So I wanted to tell you a bit about gold and why it's in a new bull market, and why the bull market probably started in January of last year, despite the big pullback that we've had. And that this is the next wave, and this is going to be the really big wave, especially as no one's talking about it. Now, for those of you who are watching, you may know that I was the previous chairman of the Technical Analyst Society of Hong Kong, and I used to give and take part of the diploma, and I'm an expert at WD GAN analysis. I'm doing this from my apartment. I like to travel around the world. I like to have the freedom, and the stock market really gives you that freedom these days, and the ETFs really give you that freedom. So for those of you who want to know more about me, you could get a copy of my book, Master Your Mind, Master Your Money. My new book's coming out soon, The Truth Behind the Investing Game, because I want to tell you why most people lose and 2% of the world control 98% of the wealth. There's certain tricks and things that people use, and deceptions where they harvest the masses, in my opinion. So, and my new book trumps the ultimate art of the deal, why I believe brand new cycles are underway. So I'm starting off here with the Gold Trust, and this was a decline since July of last year after the breakout, which really happened here. I've got some trend lines on here to show you the extent of the bear market. So in 2005 to 2011, look at that bull. Woo! 20 to about 180, 9 times your money in 6 years, but that's just wave one. Then we had this massive pullback. Doesn't look much on here, but the Canadian Resources Index fell 50%, which is normal for a bear market, but then fell another 50%, and then fell another 50%. So we had this breakout from this point, if you want to be extra cautious, which is around February, March time. But really in January bottomed, and then we had this uprise, and then, as often can happen, we got this shakeout. And I say often because look at this, 2006 shakeout, and we came back to 55, and then boom, up to nearly 100, big shakeout, back to 67, and then up to 180. So we had this shakeout, and I believe we're going to have another move up here. So if you want to get more details how you can take advantage of this, or how you can keep on top of all of this, just email Brenda at grahambibby.com, and I'll be glad to share some information with you. So last night, or not last night, should I say on Friday in the US, the last trading day, something very interesting happened in the market, because each one of these lines on the side here represents the closing price for a stock or a fund, in this case a fund. So we broke out from this bottom here, 108, went to 116, and then we went to new lows, which is a signal to exit, for caution, and then we broke out again. So we had a new buy around the 116 or 117. But yesterday, or Friday, we were experiencing up day, Thursday down day, finished near the low, and then Friday new low, but finished up and near the high for the day. So that's called an intraday reversal, key reversal. And we've got these moving averages all pointing upwards, so that tells me we've got a powerful move coming ahead. And if we go and look at something like NUGT, which will outperform virtually all stocks in any bull run. That's the key reversal here, so you could place a stop loss here. It was trading around 5 in December, which was amazing because we had a breakout, and I signaled the breakout in February, but it was just over 5, and it went to 35 7 times. In this volatility here, this correction here, we have buys and sells. Then here, a lot of buys and sells in this volatility, and then basically we had to exit because a deeper correction was underway. Normally you don't get this type of deep correction. You would get a correction from the 5 level to the 35 level, which normally you would stop around here, 20. You'd be basing out around here normally if you got that severe correction. But we've gone lower, so we've shaken out all weak players, I would imagine. So we're going to get more strength. So anybody out there, this is my tip for you. Gold and silver are in new uptrends. This is silver, broken the downtrend. Very strong day. Very strong day on Friday. Look at this, new high and finish near the high. And resources in general are going to be making a comeback. Here's copper, looking nice and strong. Even emerging markets, but that's another story. If you want to know more of that, get one of my special updates. Email Brenda at grahamvivy.com. And one of my favorites, uranium. We got higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So this is a new uptrend. So Graham Bibby on the 13th of February saying, I hope you found this useful, and look